Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher, how to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is graphing and comparing wingspan and height. And to do this activity, we will need a few materials. Here is the list. You will need a template from littlebinsforlittlehands.com, and this is the template, a STEM activity, wingspan investigation. I will have a link to where you find this template to my Pinterest board in the show notes below. You will also need a pen. You will need paper for a data table. You will need a tape measure that has centimeters as well as inches, and you will need some graphing paper. You may do this activity with a group like a classroom, completing the activity for each individual, or you might at home use your family as the different individuals participate, or your student and a group of friends. Now here is what we do. We assemble all the materials. First, you have each participant stand against the wall, and you're going to measure the height in centimeters from the top of the head to the feet. Write down that measurement on your data table, and then you're going to ask each participant to stand against the wall, arms spread wide. You're going to measure from the left fingertip to the right fingertip. Record that measurement in centimeters. Once you have done that for each participant, you are going to move to graph the data. So you are going to put on graph paper the measurements. The height is the x-axis, the wingspan is the y-axis. Now for most people, their arm span will be approximately equal to the height measurement, but not always. It might be shorter or longer. This activity is fun to do if you carry it out for different groups. So you might want to investigate the wingspans of athletes, or you may want to use different body parts to compare, or you may even want to do this with animals. I hope you've had fun with this activity on graphing and measuring. Please hit subscribe to get new teaching activities every Friday in all different subjects. And for other educational materials to benefit you and your family, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until we meet again, goodbye.